Hey guys, this is Supermom Mitali here, and this is DJI Pocket. So this is my first ever camera, and I will be showing you up close and personal views, up close and personal scenes and footage of my Goa vacation with my kids. And I hope you guys will have a lot of fun. Actually, we road tripped for the first time with the kids, and it was an amazing experience as well. So stay tuned, lots of vlogs coming up. What's up, guys? This is Supmon Mitali here, and uh, just giving you a general introduction of this vlog of Goa Diaries. It was a road trip which I started with my two daughters. They are 7, and my younger one is just going to turn 3 in May. And I got this camera, which is DJI Pocket, to show you some glimpses of my life. With my kids, and I basically take two types of vacations. One is only when me and my husband we travel, we go to different places where mostly places which kids won't like, and then we take a vacation with kids to nearby places. And I think Goa is the perfect vacation spot for kids. We realized it very early on when Rennie, my older one, who's now 7, was 8 months old. We took her to Goa, and we fell in love with Goa because it was so kid friendly. Right now, we are staying at Taj Holiday Village, which is on Candolim Beach in Goa, and yeah, it's been really great. So we started at night when kids were almost sleepy, so they slept off in the road trip in the car. But it became a little hectic because it's very hot here. So we are from Bombay, and Bombay and Goa has almost the same kind of climate. Yeah, so we reached here at 10:30, 11, and then we went for breakfast. Breakfast was just a quick something on the go for the kids, and then we checked in. The hotel check-ins are only post 12:30, so no, that time is a 10:30 to 12:30 is a time when the kids got really cranky, and we had to somehow manage them. Then we pushed them into a bath as soon as we reached the hotel, ordered for some food, and let them rest. And then the next evening, we just did something in the hotel property. So, if you're choosing a villa, when you come for a vacation with kids, and kids who are really young, I'm talking about kids who are below 8. So, both my kids are below 8. So, choosing a villa, the only thing which my husband rightly pointed out is that there is no room service or there is no ordering in the villa, and that becomes a problem when you have kids. I am not a person who loves five star life as such, but with kids, it's really convenient because everything is clean, you're sorted. There is ton of help if you want anything. You can order in. The room cleaning is also taken care of, and yeah, so you're basically sorted. Basically, with kids, I believe that it is important to ask for help, and you need help. You can't do anything 24/7 on your own. So yeah, so that's what I think, and I shall go back to my kids because you know when you're on a vacation with kids, you have to keep so many things in mind, and that's why I make these quick videos and snippets here and there. All right. Hey guys, this is the day 2 of my Goa Taj Holiday Village, and to tell you frankly, this vacation has been more than amazing. I mean, I'm going to be showing you a look around this property, and right now I'm chilling at the beach while my kids are enjoying. So, today in the morning we had a beach shoot. Of course, I'll be uploading all the photos on Instagram really soon. But my perspective or my, what do you say, attitude towards shooting photos or reels or any kind of content is, first it has to be informative, second it has to teach you, or teach anybody who is watching it something, or it has to share a message or a story. It can't just be random shots where I am dancing around the trees or I am just sitting and doing nothing. If it is a static post, I try to convey a lot via my description and stuff like that. And you know what? While I was trying to research a lot of reels, I found that travel content creators are creating such amazing content around reels. Wow, I am impressed. But what happens is, because we are based in a city and we have very few picturesque locations, unlike other cities, unlike other countries. um, we have to really pick and choose few locations where there's greenery, where there is this color building, or where there is no kachra. So that's the drawback of staying in Bombay, is what I feel. But Instagram has launched reels, and first, in fact, even I was a little confused as to what do I exactly do with these reels. But now reels are something which, you know, any person who is a bit creative can do wonders with. You can be a single chick in the city traveling, or just at home, a plant mommy, a dog mommy, a human mommy, or a travel content creator. You can go like really, really wild with the reels, and I'm loving the real world at the moment. So, lots of reels have been uploaded on Instagram, and of course, I'll be doing a lot more of them, because in 30 seconds, you can do a lot. And now I am getting a bit tired to walk around and show you a lot of things around this property, but I'm sure after a bit of chai and a break, I will be back on my feet, and you will get to see a lot of the Taj Holiday Village in Goa. Also, as I mentioned yesterday, Goa is a perfect vacation for a family, for a couple, for a family who just had a baby, for a family who has kids. And I'm totally loving this side of Goa where I just chill and I don't do much. Also, if you're into parties, Goa is a perfect place for you guys. So that's what I'm telling you. And how are you liking my vlogs, which I'm doing with my newly bought DJI Pocket? Let me know in the comments below. Lot more vlogs will be coming up till I explore the camera and learn the tips and tricks of the trade. Showing you around the property, which is super duper amazing. I mean, Taj properties have got something to it which makes it awesome. And of course, I'm going to show you the property, but first, some SHOPPING shopping. So I was exploring here in the morning, and I found this really amazing collection of earrings here. So I'm here to buy some earrings. And look at these bags. Let me zoom in. Look at this beautiful collection. Wow. So I make it a point to pick up some earrings wherever I go, not only in India but also abroad. And I am gonna take a look at these amazing pieces of art. Let's go shopping, guys. So I liked this one, which will look really cool even in 1 year. Like I always wear them, and you know what? They are only for 150 bucks. That's a steal. What else? What else? Let me explore and I'll show you what I got. I also found somebody selling masalas here. These are different types of masalas. And I bought one kurti as well. So I liked this one, which was a chiffon based kurti, but then I've settled in for cotton, and they have some lovely collection here, and the prices are not that bad. कहाँ से लाते हो आप ये सब?
तो सब हम लोग लखनऊ से, बॉम्बे से। मसाले तो खुद बनाते हैं मैडम, गोवा की रहेगी।
और ये कौन सिलाता है या रेडीमेड आता है ये सब?
नहीं, ऑर्डर देके बनवाते हैं मैडम। जो लखनवी चीज़ से तो ऑर्डर देके बनवाते हैं, और ऐसा कुछ तो मिल जाता है रेडीमेड।
हाँ, ये सब रेडीमेड है ना। ये क्या है फैब्रिक? ये बहुत देखा मैंने गोवा में।
ये कॉटन है मैडम।
कॉटन है वो?
हाँ जी, कॉटन में आएगा, इसी नेट टाइप का रहेगा, इनर के साथ रहेगा।
हाँ, स्कर्ट है ना वो?
हाँ जी, स्कर्ट है। शॉर्ट भी मिलेगा उसमें।
हाँ, शॉर्ट्स भी अच्छा है. So these are some lovely kurtas which you can pair on a blue jeans and they look super duper awesome. Also, if you're into dresses, I think these type of dresses are really nice. Moving on. Okay, yeah, so I've got these earrings and I'll show you what earrings I've got in a jiffy. But look at this collection right here. And I've got a ton of these at home. These are lovely and they also do not break unless your dog chews them, which happened in my case. ये सिर्फ नेकलेस है, इसमें ये नहीं है, इयररिंग्स नहीं है इसमें. अच्छा, वहाँ पे है. ओह हाँ, वहाँ पे और है. ये इसका क्या प्राइस है?
ये वाला 850 स्टोन में है।
वाओ,
हैंडमेड है, देख लो। 3 years।
very nice. So you know what guys, I always end up buying this color because this color goes with any light color outfit that you wear. It goes on yellow, it goes on light blue, it goes on white, it goes on black as well, and it looks super duper awesome. 850 is a bit expensive for this. She's saying she'll reduce the price. Cool. Let me try this one on. मैं आती हूँ. हाँ, मैं यहाँ पे ये भी देखती हूँ, earrings. Wow, these are some unique things. This is nice. These colors, look how great these colors look on camera. They also have a collection of shells. She sells seashells on the seashore, and that's the woman behind this. Oh wow, look at these. Look at these things. Let me zoom in and show you. Goa. Oh yeah, she was talking about the earrings which are placed very nicely. Guys, so organization ideas don't come to me out of nowhere. It's from these people that I take inspiration. I think I have all these kinds of earrings at home. And these are the awesome fridge magnets which I also collect everywhere I go. Oh, so these bottles come as fridge magnets as well. Nice.
Turtles also new.
The turtles are new. Okay, let me zoom in. Yeah, quite lovely, man. Don't buy real turtles, buy these instead. Okay, let me again steal a few and get back to you. Hi, Reni. So, how's your vacation going?
Good.
What did you do?
I'm not playing.
What did you do since morning today? Tell me.
Swim.
First, what did you do? You went on the beach.
Yeah.
First, you went on the beach and then.
I went swimming.
And how was swimming in Taj Holiday Village, Goa?
Good.
And is this your first trip to Goa?
No.
Then?
It's my fourth.
Wow, and what about your sister? Shaino? What about your sister? Is this her first trip?
Yes.
What is she saying? Yeah. And here is our masala dosa. What is the special thing that you make for yourself? And what did Daddy get? Waffle. Daddy got a waffle. Rennie, what did you get?
Pancakes and cornflakes.
But pancakes of which shape?
I got one unicorn and I got yogurt too.
Pancake yogurt. Pancake of which shapes did you get?
Unicorn.
And
Rabbit.
झालं ना आता अजून काय झालं ना अजून काय तर पाय मार ती चायनीज काय ना मम्मा का
Mama, ती chocolate.
काय पिशा पिशा कोकोलेले दिली करतात आणि बिबास दिली करतात स्विमिंग करते बिबास लोक आहे स्विमिंग या माझ्या फोनने फोन काढला बघा फोटो काढला
थांब ना मला शिकू दे ना हे कधी होणार म्हणून
जोपर्यंत हाय चांगले माणसं जरा ती परत हे करेल एक फोटो काढला निशा हाय माझा छोटा पाय असं का अंडा ऑर्डर घेतो
That is Shiny, and she is playing. Hey guys, so it's our last day at Taj Holiday Village, Goa, and mostly what we did in the holiday is chill with kids. So morning it was beach, followed by swimming pool, and then it was breakfast and a little bit of catching up on a nap or chilling in AC. Again it was followed by lunch at the property, and we mostly ordered in because it was very, very, very hot to go outside and eat something, and most of the hotels here, like if you go to a restaurant, they are not restaurants as such. No, they are basically shacks. And yeah, so you can't expect full blown AC there, though they have these coolers and those misting fans. But if the temperature is around 38 degrees, you cannot help but feel hot. And kids feel really hot as well, and then they are not able to eat and stuff like that. So, better to order in. So, I think this time of 11:30 to 4 o'clock is not the time that you can go out in Goa, especially after 25th of Feb till about it starts raining. And when I was growing up, I wouldn't say kid, we had all these perfect seasons planned for going at various locations. Now, I always wanted to show you this tree. So, because here I am, I'm just going to tilt the camera and show you the tree, and we are going to continue talking, right? Okay. Check this out. These are the houses here. They look like these cute little tiny bungalows, right? Yeah, and look at this tree. How beautiful it is. And if you see, this place is picturesque. So if you want to click any kind of photos here and stuff like that, we have done a lot of it. Utilize this property. I wouldn't say to its T, but how much ever I can. Again, pointing the camera back at me and talking about seasons. Okay. So, while I was growing up, there were particular seasons of going to various places in India. So, let me broadly categorize it as north, west, east, and south. Okay, north being all these places near the Himalayas, simple to understand. The west coast is where Bombay, that is Maharashtra, and Goa and Gujarat, and this border is. And then when you go towards south, it's basically south has 4 states. I wouldn't get into the details. And the east side is Assam, Orissa, and Calcutta also falls in kind of a northeast. So, if you had to go towards north, because it's basically cold and there are Himalayas there, you go where it is hot, summertime in your city. For example, if you're from Bombay, the summertime is April, May, and then you go to north during these times. In Goa, you basically come from November till about February, because that is colder, cooler, much better here. But the seasons have changed. Okay, let me go forward. There's somebody talking and a lot of noise coming. Yeah. So, Goa was supposed to be a destination where you come from November to February, but the seasons have extended. And what COVID has basically done is that all these shacks used to close down in mid-April or towards May, because it used to be very, very, very hot. But now they are not going to be closing down. Why? Because of Corona, it's not right or wrong. People want to travel, right? Now the vaccine has also come in and stuff like that. Not getting into those details, but people want to travel. There's no lockdown or a situation where you're supposed to be at home. People have started understanding and taking care of themselves, and they now basically know how to live with Corona. And also people want to travel, because last 1 year their travel has been really restricted. So this place is going to be open. I don't know about me, but in April as well. But I wouldn't recommend you come here. The temperatures go as high as 38 degrees in the afternoon. So no, not happening. Not happening for the mommies and not happening for the kids as well. I have now. Rainy season was a total downer here in Goa, where everything used to be closed. But now that is not the case. So in rains, Goa is open as well, and many people up north, because it doesn't rain as much there. It's generally hot only from June onwards, because it starts raining here in Bombay like cats and dogs. June onwards, so it rains in the same way in Goa. And when you are in a place which is so nice, you want to go on the beach and it starts raining, that's not happening, right? So avoid coming in June, July, August unless you want to see and experience the rains, which you haven't done at your place wherever you're from. I don't know how much it rains down south because I have not traveled much down south. North, it becomes cold and there are storms and stuff like that, so wouldn't recommend you travel anywhere during the north as well. But if you are a person who wants to enjoy the tropical rains, Goa and Bombay are the places to come. How should I conclude this vlog? I'll show you what fun kids are having at the breakfast table and then some last words, and I'll say adios. Bye bye. Hey guys, hello. That's Super Mom Mitali and that is Super Girl Shiny. Okay, so this is us signing off because our Goa trip is ending and we are going back home. Okay, Shainu is just saying mama, mama because she wants to hold the camera.